Hello everyone, welcome back to CodeIsha Training Center. In this video, we will learn about the Apex programming language. Okay, so in this video, we will learn about these topics. So, first one, what is Apex, and number two, setting up the environment like developer console environment, and third one, simple use case. Okay, so we will write one Apex class. Okay, so and then that Apex class will we have to test the code. Okay, so first of all, let's get into the first slides. What is Apex? Okay, so see here the Apex is Salesforce programming language, and it designed to automate process and build powerful applications on the Salesforce platform. Okay, so where we can use these Apex programming languages inside the Salesforce platform. Okay, so Apex programming language is a cloud-based programming language which doesn't require any installations. Okay, so if we need to use these Apex programming language, we don't need any pre-request installations in our local systems. Okay, just we can access these programming Apex programming features by using the browser and internet access. Okay, so if we need to use these Apex programming language, just we need only browser and internet access. Okay, so it is looks like a Java, but it won't work for other technologies. So it will only work for Salesforce. Okay, so like it is a sole proprietary uh, for Salesforce. Okay, and coming to the next slide. So this one goes to the navigation to Salesforce Developer Console. Okay, like setting up the environment of Developer Console. Okay, so first of all, we need login into our Salesforce or and step two, open the Developer Console. We need to open the Developer Console. So we need log in our Salesforce or and then click on the setup gear icon. And then in the drop menu, we have three options like service setup and developer console. Okay, so click on the developer console. Okay, so it will open the another page of the developer console. Okay, so that is step three. Okay, so create the new Apex class. Okay, so in developer console, go to the top menu and click on file and the new and the Apex class. Okay, so a dialog box will appear asking for the class name. So give it a name as per your business requirements. Okay, so let's log in into our Salesforce arc. Okay, first, so open the Salesforce web address and give it your username and enter the password. So click on the login button. Then it will open the your Salesforce organizations, right? So see here the we have gear icon, right? So click on that and then click on the developer console. So see here the top menu, we have file and the edit and debug and test and workspace, right? So we need to select the file and then click on the new and then uh, enter the click the Apex class. Okay. So see here the we are giving the greeting class one. Okay. So already is there one class for that I'm giving class one. Okay. So here the code snippet, simple code snippet of the Apex class. Okay. So this is the main class. This is the main Apex class. So inside the class, we are written the method and we are calling the some one line text message to showcase these debug logs in the debug logs. Okay. So we are written the already Apex class, right? So inside the Apex class. inside the Apex class, we have to write or we have to write our business requirement. Okay. So inside the class, I am writing the method. Okay. So public static. So I'm giving the method data type is string. So let's here the say say welcome. Okay. So I'm giving the so method name is welcome. Okay. So inside the method, I'm giving the one parameter string. So that is name. Okay. So see here the I'm written the return keyword to showcase that message inside the debug logs. Okay. So see here the welcome class name CodeIsha Training Center. Okay. This is the one line message to showcase inside the debug logs. Okay. So now we done right. So now we are saving these Apex class code. See here the it is saving. So when here the you will visible the star icon. So it will be saving the Apex class. Okay. So now what we have to do? Now we have to do the execute our code, right? So for that we need to open the execute anonymous window. Okay. So now click on the developer console. So see here the debug, right? So click on the debug. So click on the open execute anonymous window. So see here the inside the execute anonymous window, we are right system.debug. So here the now we have to here calling the greeting class. Okay. So greeting class plus method. Okay. So now class plus need method also. So see here the method class method name, right? So here I'm giving the method name also. So inside the method I'm giving the name also plus so tester or developer. Okay. So now we will execute this code. Uh, what we are written the Apex class simple code. Okay. So select the checkbox of the open log and now click on the execute button. Okay. So see here the debug class. So see, welcome tester or developer. So CodeIsha Training Center, right? So this is a simple code snippet of the Apex class. Okay. So I hope you will find something new with the Apex programming language. Okay. So thank you everyone for watching my this video. So if you have any inquiries about the Salesforce or TriHead support or resume preparation or interview preparation, so please feel free to contact us, our CodeIsha Training Center. Here the contact number and here the website and here the email address. Okay. So thank you everyone. Thank you.